So this is what you're missing. Whoa.
I'm on a diet.
Oh, it doesn't zoom. It doesn't zoom. I love. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. This is New Zealand. Right, this is Isabel applying. I don't know if this takes sound. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? This is Isabel applying a fly lotion, sand fly lotion. There are absolutely millions of the things. We're at Milford Sound. Absolutely fabulous surroundings. You can see the height of all these mountains and everything. God, there's even flies on this screen. Anyway, the sound is sort of down that way. So that'll be enough for now. We're just about to leave to go down to the boat. Smile though. So your mum's checked in, and we're not going on that boat. We're going on this boat. Spirit of Milford. Plenty of nice boats here. It's a big one here. Whopper. Anyway, that's ours. Yeah, there's a few seals here, but you might like a quick look at them. Very nice too. More fabulous scenery. Waterfall. Yeah. On our way back in now. Try a little bit of this. Camera. Looking pretty good. Well, just in case you're really hooked on waterfalls, there's another one. Beautiful. Here we are. We're on our way back in now. This is it. That's where we're headed. Okay. Nearly at the end of our boat. And then we have to walk. Not there, that's where the car is. Yeah, some waterfalls. They're a beauty. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. They call it a chasm. Absolutely amazingly deep. A higher part. See huge boulders here. You can see this worn, everything smooth. You know, Isabel, this is so much like that place in Scotland. Look at this. Can you see how it's worn away the rock underneath? Amazing. Then we'll come around the other side of this bridge.